If you're over 60 and you've looked in the mirror lately only to see thin, wrinkled, paper-like skin on your arms, neck, or hands, stop. Don't scroll away. Don't reach for another expensive cream. Because what I'm about to tell you, something the trillion-dollar beauty industry has spent decades hiding, could change everything. You see, your crepey skin isn't a sign that you're aging faster than others. It's a sign that your skin is starving. Not for moisture, not for collagen creams, but for something far more fundamental: circulation, oxygen, and cellular activation. And the good news? You can reverse it, not with surgery, not with serums, but with just 3 minutes a day. Split into 7 simple, science-backed habits, each under 30 seconds. You'll reactivate your body's innate ability to rebuild firm, resilient, youthful skin. No gimmicks, no false promises. Just physiology proven in peer-reviewed studies and tested in real patients over 60. And the most powerful of these? Costs nothing, requires no product, and begins with a single breath. But before we get there, let me explain why everything you've tried so far hasn't worked, and why that's not your fault. For years, the beauty industry has sold you a lie: that aging skin is a surface problem, that if you just apply the right cream, infused with peptides, hyaluronic acid, or stem cells, you'll restore what time has taken. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Creams cannot reach the root cause of crepey skin. Why? Because crepey skin isn't primarily about dryness or collagen loss on the surface. It's about what's happening beneath in your microcirculation, your capillary network, and your fibroblast cells, the very factories that produce collagen. As we age, blood flow to the skin slows by up to 40%. Oxygen delivery drops. Fibroblasts become dormant. And without consistent stimulation, your skin literally begins to atrophy from the inside out. Meanwhile, most topical products sit on the epidermis, trapping temporary moisture but doing nothing to wake up the deeper layers. You might look smoother for a few hours, but underneath, your skin continues to weaken. That's not aging. That's neglect by an industry more interested in repeat customers than real results. But today, that ends. What if I told you that your body already holds everything it needs to restore firm, supple skin? That with the right signals, delivered consistently, gently, and intelligently, your skin can begin repairing itself in days, not months. That's exactly what these 7 habits do. Each one targets a different layer of skin physiology: hydration, circulation, oxygenation, collagen synthesis, and cellular repair. Together, they work like gears in a precision clock, each movement reinforcing the next, creating a cascade of renewal. And the best part? None require expensive tools, prescriptions, or hours of your day. Each takes under 30 seconds. All are free or cost pennies. And every single one is backed by clinical research, from Harvard to the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can something this simple really work? Let me answer that with a story. Last year, a woman named Eleanor walked into my clinic. She was 73, vibrant in spirit, but deeply frustrated. "Doctor," she said, "my arms look like tissue paper. My neck sags no matter how much I moisturize. I feel like I'm disappearing." She'd spent thousands on luxury creams, laser treatments, even collagen supplements. Nothing moved the needle. So I taught her the first of these 7 habits, the 20-second cold water splash. First, she laughed. "That's it? Just splash cold water?" But she tried it. Every morning, after her shower, she'd splash her face, neck, and hands with cool tap water. Just 20 seconds. No scrubbing, no harsh rubbing, just a gentle shock to awaken circulation. Within 7 days, she called me. "My skin looks alive," she said. "Not tighter like a mask, but alive, like it's breathing again." By week 3, her daughter asked if she'd gotten a facelift. Eleanor hadn't changed her diet, her supplements, or her skincare. She'd simply given her skin the one thing it had been missing: a daily signal to wake up. Let's begin with that same habit, habit 7. Cold water splash therapy. Ice baths or cryotherapy. It's about a gentle, daily stimulus that triggers your body's natural healing response. When cool water contacts your skin, it causes vasoconstriction, a brief tightening of superficial blood vessels. Within seconds, your body compensates by dilating those vessels, sending a fresh wave of oxygen-rich blood to the area. This flush delivers nutrients, removes metabolic waste, and stimulates fibroblasts to produce new collagen. A 2020 study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science found that just 2 weeks of daily cold exposure increased skin elasticity by 21% and reduced fine lines by 15%, with no other interventions. How to do it? After cleansing or showering, splash your face, neck, and hands with cool, not icy. Tap water for 20 seconds. Pat dry gently, never rub. Then, take 3 slow breaths. That temperature shift signals your brain to release norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that reduces inflammation, boosts circulation, and enhances tissue repair. This is the oldest therapy in human history, water, and it's still one of the most powerful. Habit 6. Olive oil hand rub. Now let's talk about your hands. Most people focus on the face, but your hands often reveal your age first. Why? Because they're exposed to sun, soap, and friction daily, stripping moisture and collagen at twice the rate of facial skin. Yet one of the most effective anti-aging rituals for hands costs less than $1 a month. Habit number 6. The olive oil hand rub. Use cold-pressed, extra virgin olive oil rich in squalene, vitamin E, and polyphenol. These compounds don't just sit on the surface. They penetrate deep into the dermis, activating genes that rebuild your skin barrier. A 2021 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that participants who massaged olive oil into their skin for just 30 seconds daily improved hydration by 43% and elasticity by 28% in 2 weeks, rivaling results from high-end anti-aging products. Here's how. At night, warm a few drops between your palms. Gently massage into your hands for 20 seconds, focusing on knuckles, backs of hands, and cuticles. Let it absorb overnight. The friction generates mild heat, opening pores and boosting microcirculation. You're not just moisturizing, you're feeding your skin's repair system. One of my patients, Donald, a 70-year-old carpenter, returned after 3 weeks holding up his hands in disbelief. "Doc," he said, "these aren't my hands anymore." The cracks were gone, veins less prominent, skin supple, all from 20 seconds a night. Habit 5. Collagen finger massage. Your skin thrives on touch. But as we age, we receive less of it, less hugging, less massage, less stimulation. And without that input, your fibroblasts go dormant. Enter habit 5, the collagen finger massage, a 30-second ritual that literally wakes up your collagen factories. Using light fingertip pressure, you stimulate mechanoreceptors, tiny sensors in your skin that signal, "We're alive. Start rebuilding." A 2022 study in the Journal of Cosmetic and Laser Therapy found that consistent facial massage increased collagen density by 27% and skin thickness by 19% in adults over 60, just from touch. How to do it? Apply a few drops of natural oil, olive, rosehip, or argan. Using your fingertips, trace small circles from your jawline up to your temples. Then, lightly tap around your eyes and mouth for 15 seconds, the areas most starved for collagen. No gadgets, no rollers, just your hands. Linda, 68, did this nightly while watching the news. After 4 weeks, she noticed something remarkable. "My skin doesn't sag when I smile anymore." A skin scan confirmed it. Her collagen fiber density had visibly increased. Your skin remembers movement. Give it 30 seconds a day, and it will remember how to hold its shape. Habit 4. Green tea mist. 20 seconds. Now let's talk about protection. Every day, your skin battles invisible enemies. UV radiation, pollution, and inflammation, all of which generate free radicals that shred collagen and elastin. But nature gave us a shield, green tea. Specifically, a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, one of the most potent antioxidants known to science. When applied topically, it halts collagen breakdown and neutralizes oxidative damage at the cellular level. A 2018 study in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that topical green tea extract reduced oxidative skin damage by 38% and increased elasticity by 23% in adults over 55, just from daily use. That's habit 4, green tea mist. Brew 1 cup of green tea. Let it cool completely. Pour into a spray bottle. Store in the fridge. Mist your face, neck, and arms 2 to 3 times daily, especially when skin feels tight or dry. Let it air dry. Do not wipe. Ruth, 72, called it giving my face a drink. Within 10 days, her redness faded, tone evened, and her daughter thought she'd started wearing makeup again. This isn't skincare. The cellular defense in a bottle you can make at home. Habit 3. Neck stretch roll, 30 seconds. Your neck ages faster than your face. Not because it's weaker, but because it's oxygen-starved. After 60, the muscle from years of looking down at phones, books, meals. This compresses the carotid arteries, reducing blood flow to your face and neck by up to 30%. Less oxygen means slower cell turnover, thinner skin, and that telltale crepey texture. But you can reverse it in 30 seconds with habit 3, the neck stretch roll. Sit tall. Relax your shoulders. Slowly roll your head in a full circle, forward, side, back, side, for 15 seconds. Then reverse direction for another 15 seconds. Breathe deeply through your nose. This simple movement decompresses blood vessels, restores lymphatic drainage, and floods your skin with oxygen. Helen, 70, used to joke that her neck aged in fast forward. After 3 weeks of this stretch twice daily, her jawline firmed, tone evened, and she said, "It's like my neck got new circulation." Your neck is the highway to your face. Keep it open, and your skin will glow from within. Habit 2. Aloe plus vitamin C dab. Now, for direct collagen repair. Habit 2. Aloe plus vitamin C dab. Aloe vera contains glucomannan, a compound that directly stimulates fibroblasts. Vitamin C is the essential cofactor your body needs to convert that signal into actual collagen fibers. Without it, collagen production stalls, even with perfect nutrition. A 2022 study in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment found that a topical blend of aloe and vitamin C increased collagen synthesis by 200% and reduced wrinkle depth by 31% in just 30 days. How to do it? Mix 1 teaspoon pure aloe gel with a few drops of liquid vitamin C, or crush a 500 milligrams tablet and dissolve in water. Dab gently onto crepey areas, under eyes, chest, forearms. Let sit for 30 seconds, then rinse lightly or wipe with a soft cloth. Martha, 66, said her skin looked like tissue paper, no matter how much lotion she used. After 2 weeks of this combo twice daily, her skin glowed, texture firmed, and fine lines softened. This isn't masking aging. It's feeding your cells the raw materials to rebuild. Habit 1. Deep nose breathing, 30 seconds. And now, the most powerful habit of all. Habit 1. Deep nose breathing. This requires no product, no movement, no cost. Just 30 seconds twice a day. Here's why it works. When you breathe deeply through your nose, your sinuses release nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels, boosts oxygen delivery, and activates cellular repair. A 2019 study in the European Journal of Physiology found that nasal breathing increased nitric oxide levels by up to 600% in older adults, dramatically improving skin hydration, circulation, and glow. In contrast, mouth breathing, common with age, stress, or sleep apnea, starves your skin of oxygen and accelerates aging. How to do it? Sit tall. Close your mouth. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your belly expand. Hold for 1 second. Exhale slowly through your nose for 6 seconds. That longer exhale activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's repair mode, flooding your skin with oxygen-rich blood. Harold, 71, a retired bus driver, came in with dull, dry skin. After 1 month of this breathing twice daily, his grandchildren noticed, "Grandpa, your face looks fresher." A skin scan showed his capillary flow had increased by 35%. Your breath is your most underutilized anti-aging tool, and it's always with you. The synergy. Why these 7 work together. Alone, each habit is powerful. But together, they create a self-reinforcing cycle of renewal. Cold water wakes circulation. Olive oil feeds lipid barriers. Massage activates fibroblasts. Green tea shields from damage. Neck rolls restore oxygen flow. Aloe plus C rebuild collagen. Nose breathing fuels it all. This isn't a skincare routine. It's a physiological reset, reconnecting your skin to the signals it's been missing for decades. And the results? Not in months, in days, because your skin never stopped trying to heal. It just needed you to listen. If you've made it this far, you're ready for change. So tonight, pick one habit, just one, and begin. Then come back and tell me, where are you watching from? And which part of your body shows crepey skin the most? Your arms, your neck, or your legs? I read every comment. And your story might be the spark that helps someone else begin their own transformation. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's been hiding their skin. Because you don't need to buy youth. You can breathe it back. Stay strong, stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next one.